Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sudah ke Sorkar matul senyawa ini. Hak kehidupan kita ingin kira penyoy di Mekar. Ni dawa.
So today, because our people are really hungry, so we have to come out. Today is the first day, the first time that we are coming out. And more days will come and more trouble maybe. We cannot assure. But today we have organized the rally very so peaceful. I think you agree with our rally today. It's really peaceful. But in the near future, we expect the government to respond. If the response of the government is negative, we cannot assure you that the peaceful will continue to remain in this area, because hungry people are angry people. Today we are handing over this memorandum to the government. Hope that the government will respond positively according to our program. This is few words only. Thank you.
Sir, in fact, this application is to Siam only, or through you?
Jcm&Da Coal Miner and Dealer Association hak nyotrik leber aja penriu. Kila aipor yak Sorkar jela bahkan ai jubab Hapoh lai Bnai yak Jcm&Da banchnai ka mining policy. Kabai dei baka bayahap baka jinglong jingman jong ki saudong saukun ka jela Meghalaya. Khanang bagi Paidbah karilum Jcm&Da ki baju kamai bela nakakamti doyong kinyo ban sedang biang yak khi ka kamai harian baka National Green Tribunal kala penjari yak jengkhang ti doyong thliu khnai ha Meghalaya nadu usnam arhajar khatsau haka jingkan bakilat phathai khubur hadim belawai ka jingelang Paidbah ka balalong haka snong cleariat East Jcm&Da Hills District uchemen jong ka association upa Justin dakhar ulong baka jingkwa jong ki Paidbah karilum Jcm&Da kalong baka Sorkar kan Shna da ka mining policy ka babu jing shingan yakinong ti doyong para ka rukom ka bala banti yo doyong namar ka jing terwa banti doyong kat kum ka open cast mining kami hap satya baka jinglong jingman ka jaka ha Meghalaya namar bau doyong udon da ki spa phut shapo ka mai ram o ulo ongru baka Lada ka Sorkar kamla banle ai Hapoh lai Bnai hadin bal IT ya dorkas lingba u deputy commissioner ka association kan salum biangi ki Paidbah pan shimi kirai kumno banle nang ne syakhamat
Ki muyang Ni dawa Ki muyang Ni dawa Kembali ke Sorkar jela kayong iwong ko Pagman politics dia ke Hapoh kayo mo Paidbah yung i Hawi dawa Sorkar Ni dawa Ki muyang Jakpo yung iki mo yung.
Ngin agadaw ba nadu arajar kat sawa du arajar arfenriu mentala kat arsnem malumala ke Sorkar kampat la bansna ya di polisi ki mining polisi ki bayade kat kum ke jaka ke jongi kat kum gor komlong ka mariang ke jongi kat kum di terrains na kata kadaw ni hadu mentang impak la ban ong bala rikulun lari kulit ya ketika mining ke bagi dei bantre bagi Paidbah kimpak yo bantre Barkat kabagi trero baro iong bakalong illegal. Dan nakata-kadang ikuha government bakan saindur bakan snano ya ki mining ki polisi ki Bnai ka environment ya safety jong ki labor banle ro ka treatment plan hakarukom ka ba mangingila bantre. Nara ki Shna hakarukom bangingila bantre kata kamut kamdan jumut namar bang itre ikta ikuha ban yo ya kanong gani nang ba ka Ngin gayongi ka livelihood jong ki Paidbah kalong ka babit ka babiang ka pule ka puti kalong ka babit ka babiang ka ekonomi kalong ka bakiu habaro kiliang kanang manginla ban kersan dalade lamda kumta ka jinge kalong ka bakraw namar hadu menta ngimpat yo ro yakino ki relief fon na ka benta ki Paidbah te kumta ngipsnyaw yang government lang ba kini ki haka ba ka government kan chimkia ya kini ki jinge ba ki jinjar ki jongi 90% kamlong implemented. Namar bang imla ban implement ya ka open cast mining ya kini ka jaka ka jongi. Namar bang doyong udon daki spa food cepo. Kumtang kumnung ila ban le ya ka open cast. Idon kam da ki wipat ki jat mining. Kani ka mining ka bang ile ladu ndri peus nem mencua kalong sufficient ka piang ka government ka don kam tak ka modification ban le ka naga banta ban yada ya ki badon kam kenang ba nginla ban tre ban tak ban camai gaji kumbang ijulong Hapoh lai Bnai ka ngin ap ya ka respon Lada kam don ka respon Hapoh lai Bnai te ngin sokot biang ya ka Paidbah ngin ja sin ki bagi Paidbah ya menjurlang debu ya ka memorandum lang bayong chow chief minister disi da kerpat da kamno da kular yi da pediango wau chimkiau ya kani kam upau ya kani ga jingkwa ga yongi chow chief minister emburom bada ego pila sawara armut ki deputy chief minister but wara ki amling Hapoh kari jantia ga yongi unity Hapoh katu gani por upan snyau gi kaya ka respond na kaliang chief minister emburom yongi.
Had a long day? Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams. All in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.